Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can sell tickets on Vivid Seats. Now this is a very quick and simple thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so that you don't miss any important steps. Now the first thing you want to do is to make sure you actually have a Vivid Seats account. And if you don't, you can just go ahead and create one very easily. So once you've made your account or logged in, you can go up to the top right corner where it says My Account. And then from here we want to go to the third one down, which should be Sales. This will take us to this listing manager section, and from here we'll be on this sales tab up here in the top right. In order to sell our tickets, we just want to go to the left where it says listings, and then down here the text will change, and we can look for this pink text that says get started now. So go ahead and click on that, and now we actually have the option to sell our tickets. So we just want to click this pink button that says sell your tickets, and then from there you can just type, and then from there you can search for a team, artist, event or venue. So let's just say I had some 50-cent tickets. I could type that in and then wait for this drop down to appear, and then we can click whatever one is relevant to us. Now once you've done that, it will show you all the events that are coming up, and as you can see there's only one, but yours might have multiple, so you want to make sure you choose the correct one. So you can just tick the box next to it and then click continue. Now from here I recommend that you actually read through all of this page so that you fully understand it, because these are important details about your ticket that you do not want to get wrong. So to start with, you want to choose how many tickets you're looking to sell. You then want to choose what section the ticket's in, and then also what row, and then you can also choose the seat number. And down here you just want to choose whichever of these are relevant to you. But as I already said, you want to make sure that you read through all of this to make sure you understand, and so that you click on the right thing. So when you're happy with that, you can go ahead and click continue. And then from here, we want to choose what type of tickets we're listing. So we can choose print at home tickets, which are tickets you usually receive in your email, and this is usually in a PDF format. So if you choose this, you can choose either upload later or upload now if you'd rather do it now. Or if you don't have print at home tickets, you might have some hard stock tickets. And these are traditionally paper tickets or wristbands. Now the third option is e-transfer, or my ticket type isn't shown, and unfortunately if that's you, then you will not be able to sell your tickets. You do need to choose either hard stock tickets or print at home tickets. So once you've chosen that, we can come down to where it says price tickets, and from here we can choose whatever price we want, and then we also want to choose the ticket handing day. And then from there we just have to put in our PayPal address, and this is where we will receive our payment. So we can just put in our PayPal email address, and then when we're happy with that, we can go ahead and click continue. From there, they will ask us a few more questions, and then once we've done that, we will have successfully listed our tickets on Vivid Seats. So that's exactly how you can sell tickets on Vivid Seats. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please comment down below to say this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.